Good afternoon and welcome to North Garland High School. My name is Natalie Matthew and I am the Magnet Advisor Industry Liaison for all magnet programs here at North. Today we will be discussing MST, otherwise known as the Math, Science, and Technology Magnet, the AMS program, which stands for the Accelerated Math and Science program, the PTech, which is Pathways in Technology Early High School, and Early College High School, which will start next year. There is a video attached to this handout, which will also be on our website for you to view at your leisure, and also it's attached to your lesson today. Current North Garland programs include MST, AMS, and Pathways into Technology Early College High School. MST and AMS have been around for a while, but this is our first year for PTech. We offer an Associate of Applied Science for Network Administrator and also an Associate of Science degree for Pre-Med and Pre-Dental. For the future, for next year, we will add our first cohort of early college high school students and offer an Associate of Arts or Science degree. To apply for the North Garland Magnet programs, these are the requirements. For MST and AMS, you do have to complete some academic testing and have a certain score to apply. We will go over that information later in this presentation. You also are eligible for bus, and you can apply as an 8th through 10th grader for MST. You can apply as an 8th through 9th grader for AMS. For PTech and ECHS, you do not have to complete an academic test in order to qualify for the program. Any students can apply regardless of test scores. You have to complete an application, and if you are selected for the program, you are also eligible for a bus. You can apply for PTech and ECHS as an 8th grader. First of all, what is PTech? PTech stands for Pathways in Technology Early College High School. You can earn a high school diploma at the same time as you are earning your associate degree, and you will also gain relevant industry and work experience. We partner between Dallas College Richland Campus and Parkland Hospital, as well as the UT Southwestern Stars Medical Center. ECHS stands for Early College High School, and just like PTech, you also earn your high school diploma alongside earning 60 college hours with your Associate of Arts or Science degree. We also partner with the Dallas College Richland campus. Why should you choose PTech or ECHS? There are several benefits to choosing either program. You graduate with your high school diploma, graduation endorsements, up to 60 or more college credit hours at no cost to students or your parents. You earn an Associate of Arts or Science degree for both ECHS and PTech, or an Associate of Applied Science degree for PTech. You can also earn career and technology certifications for the PTech programs. You can continue to four-year university options after high school. You leave North college and career ready with a potential for internships and job offers and interviews. Who should apply for PTech and ECHS? Preferred candidates include the first people in your family to attend college, students that desire to attend college and work hard. If you're motivated by taking advanced and in-depth coursework, this is a program for you, especially if you're interested in the pre-medical field or network administration and working with Cisco and telecommunications. If you're willing to learn college readiness skills and use them daily, we would love to have you for our program. You can follow us on Twitter at NGHS_PTech to see updates and announcements regarding PTech and ECHS programs on North Garland campus. You can also email me at nemathatw@garlandisd.net or call the number on the screen. We also offer an MST program. MST stands for Math, Science, Technology. This is designed to assist you in reaching your college and career goals, and you also earn weighted grade points for most MST courses as you're taking honors and pre-AP level classes. You can even earn dual credit in most or some of your courses. In MST, you get hands-on classes utilizing new technology. Some courses can lead to certifications and internships. You can take dual credit with Richland College and El Centro. And of course, bus transportation is provided for any magnet program at North Garland. We also plan college tours when available. Every year, high school MST courses include an honors or AP math, an honors or AP science, and one career endorsement class. You can choose to do AP or honors English and social studies, but that's up to you. One difference between this and P-TECH or ECHS is that if you're in P-TECH and ECHS, all your classes are required to be honors or pre-AP, but in MST, it's just focusing on math, science, and technology, honors or pre-AP. MST career endorsements basically just means you're taking a career path in a certain area of focus. For example, you may be interested in the medical field and choose medical or biomed as your career path. Or maybe you want to try engineering, and so all your courses will lead to an engineering capstone at the end of the year. Okay, so when you select your pathway in 8th grade, we will schedule you based on that pathway. These are the course pathways offered for the MST program: architecture, biomedical science, computer science, engineering, medical, multimedia, multimedia broadcast, and IT networking. The names you see in bold are the pathways, and what you see in parentheses refers to the big endorsement that you would see on your diploma or your transcript. Just a few other notes about what career paths we offer at North. Medical career endorsements include biomedical science, medical academic, and technical. Computer classes, where you can earn certifications and do competitions. Career endorsements such as architecture and engineering. These are some examples of some MST pathway tracks. Again, this will be located on our website for you to peruse for examples. These just show some different pathways that you might take under each elective. Okay. We also have specific medical technical tracks for certification. Depending on the certification you choose, this shows you the courses that you will take for each year of your MST medical pathway. The next few slides just show a little bit more in detail of what you're also taking in addition to your MST classes, which include graduation requirements like English and social studies. MST also comes along with different requirements for the program besides taking certain classes. In addition to stay in MST, you must maintain a 70 in all of your classes at the end of every grading period. We also require you to have 25 hours of community service each year as a freshman and sophomore. You are completing project-based learning assignments in each MST class, and you also enter MST Steamposium competitions, and the winners get to move on to the GISD District Steamposium. The requirements change a little bit once you become a junior and senior. For juniors, it's the same as freshman and sophomore year as far as earning 24 hours of community service. You still have project-based learning in each MST class. For junior year, you will serve in an academic competition such as HOSA, Skills USA, or UIL Academics. As a senior, the requirements are the same as a junior. However, there are no additional community service hours to earn, but you still have the other requirements for grades, PBLs, and academic competition. Seniors also must create a digital portfolio to prepare them for their exit interview or any MST scholarship meetings. By the end of your MST program, you should have a total of 75 community service hours. How to apply for the MST program as well as your P-TECH and ECHS. Jackson MST students, if you are continuing to MST from Jackson to North, you still have to apply in Skyward and fill out a continuation form between January 6th and January 27th. Your MST status does not automatically update you. You must fill out that continuation form in order to stay in MST. If you are out of the district, you must pre-enroll in Garland ISD, access the magnet application on Skyward, and sign up for testing. The magnet application window for all magnet programs, which is MST, AMS, P-TECH, and ECHS, is January 6th through January 27th. If testing is necessary, you will sign up for testing February 6th or the 13th at Rowlett High School. If you are at a GISD middle school but you're not in MST right now, you will also need to apply through Skyward starting on January 6th and going through January 27th. If you are applying for MST or AMS, you will be looking at test scores. MST, so current 8th graders, non-Jackson continuation, we look at the highest of your 8th grade fall MAP scores or 7th grade spring. Or we can look at 8th grade PSAT. Current 9th graders, we look at 9th grade PSAT scores. If you're new to GISD, you need to sign up for testing so we can see where you fall. The minimum scores needed to join the MST program will be 75th percentile in reading and math. AMS requires the 80th percentile. We also look at report card grades 80 and above. We look at attendance, and we also look to see that you're following GISD Student Code of Conduct guidelines. Every student that comes to North, regardless of magnet program, is eligible for the Dallas County Promise Grant. This is a program to support yourself in college and provides free hours once you complete the grant as a senior. We are working closely with our seniors every year to make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. And as we stated before, as a P-TECH or ECH student, you can also earn up to free 60 hours of free college with no cost to you. You can follow NGHS MST AMS on Twitter to see pictures from classroom activities and events at NGHS_MST. Again, any questions or concerns, you can email me or call me regarding program application. The last program we're going to go over is the Accelerated Math and Science Program. This is for students who want to get on a faster track through math and science. It's a unique focus to advance faster and taking more math and sciences than required throughout high school. You do have to complete an ability level test. Again, you have to have at least 80 percentile on reading and math for MAP testing. We can do an on-site assessment to also place you for certain tracks for AMS. We also prepare you for AMS by doing summer assignments and having a summer boot camp participation. These are the current tracks for AMS students. Based on your MAP score, we will place you in track 1, 2, or 3 based on your ability and your interview on how you want to proceed. For example, if you start out as track 1, you'll be taking AMS Algebra 2. If you start out with track 3, you will be taking AMS Algebra 2 the first semester and AMS Pre-Cal the second semester before you branch into Calculus BC and then on to dual credit math for your junior and senior year. If you have not taken geometry, we also offer geometry in summer school, so you can take that out of the way instead of having to take it at the same time as Algebra 2 when you do come to North. We will be offering this in June 2021 or July, and those exact dates and locations will be coming soon. Here are some examples of the accelerated science we offer in our program. You take MST Biology your 9th grade year and then move into MST Chemistry and AP Science your 10th grade year. You can take biology or physics depending on your technology pathway. Then you move into AP Science for your 11th and 12th grade years. You can choose AP Science or dual credit. These are just a few statistics from each year of our AMS program. We are currently in our 5th year. The first year we had several students, 9 out of 10 earned college credit for their AP Calculus exams. Year 2, we had 24 out of 27 earn college credit for their AP Calculus. Several scoring as high as a 5.4. A 5 is a perfect score. In our 3rd year, we've grown to 55 students, and we had 50 out of 55 kids earn that college credit for calculus as a freshman. That's pretty impressive. We have a great program, and we love our teachers. We have continued to grow our program from our 4th to 5th year, and yes, you can do both AMS and MST. That's your choice. Most do both, but we have a few that still just want to focus on math and science only without the technology part. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call or email me, Miss Natalie Matthew, at nethew@garlandisd.net. Thank you for listening, and go North.